friends, today's video will clear many pronunciation doubts related to the letter N. Hi, I am Kusum Wahi from Prime Tech EduFolks. While taking my class, I come across many words which my students speak incorrectly. To the extent I hear these words differently and get baffled. For instance, sometimes I hear in the class, I am living in Spain. I am living in Spain or I am living in Spain. So it has to be living, that is L-I-V-I-N-G, rather than leaving, which is L-E-A-V-I-N-G. Right? And then next one I often hear, and I must I must give you these examples. That is, I written from China few days back. Well, I written is W-R-I-T-T-E-N, and it is not written, it is return, that is R-E-T-U-R-N-E-D. This is return. So I returned from China few days back. So what you want to say is, and what you speak, is it the same thing or not? Check it out. So let me clear, guys, let me make it very clear to you that pronunciation plays a vital role in speaking the words. So be sure to say it right or you can be ridiculed. Right? So watch out. Let's talk about the words starting from the letter N. Ready? My first word is naval. The first word is, my dad is a naval officer. It means naval. Naval is related to navy. Right? Next one is neither nor. Neither nor or neither nor. So neither or neither, both of them are correct. Neither Kate nor Jack took the responsibility of the task. Right? So neither or neither, both of them are the correct pronunciation. Okay? Next one, very confusing word, that is K-N-O-B, knob. Yes, K is silent over here. So we will say knob. As I turned the knob, it clicked and came into my hand. Right? So almost it broke. In that sense I'm talking about. So knob. You will also find the knobs on the doors or on the windows, right? The next word is never. Never. N-E-V-E-R. Never. Rima has never been to New York. However, she has traveled to the United States multiple times. So never. Never. So here you need to understand, when we say never, never, it is not never, right? So ER in the end we don't need to pronounce. Instead of ER we will say never, okay? So never. Next one, N-O-W, now, now. So please stretch it a little bit, okay? It is not now, it is now, right? It's now or never situation for the Smiths. It's now or never. Now, right? So stretching is little bit required. Then simple words, you will be amazed. N-A-M-E, name. It is not name, it is name, right? So my name is Wahi. My name is Wahi, right? So name, right? So A has to be little stretched. Now this is one word, even I can say that even I was pronouncing it incorrectly, and that is N-O-R-T-H-E-R-N. So it is northern. Northern. The northern part of Canada is covered with the mountains. Okay, so it is northern. Northern. So if you see, I'm not pronouncing the letter R. Instead of that I'm saying A. So northern, right? Then let's go to the next one. You use it quite often. That is numerous. 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 The stalls were flocked by numerous tourists. Okay? Numerous. Numerous means multiple, many. Right? Then next one. Negotiate. 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 So these are beautiful words and they must be pronounced correctly. If you are using any word in English, make sure the pronunciation is correct. Otherwise, you have no right to use it. Right? So the property agents negotiated till the last penny in cracking the deal for the mansion. Right? So negotiate. Right? Wonderful words. I'm telling you, you are going to enjoy your vocabulary. Next one. Nightmare. Again, this word has re in the end, so we will not pronounce it r. Instead we will say r. So it's going to be nightmare. Nightmare. Right? She woke up several times during nights as she would often have nightmares after her accident. Right? So nightmare. Nightmare. Most of the times you will notice R is silent. Okay? Let's move on. Noisy. 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 The noisy teenagers just wouldn't stop yelling. Noisy. Noisy. Right? Once again, little bit of stretch has to be there in O. Noisy. Right? Let's go to the next one. That is Nutritious. 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 The mother's continuous efforts to feed nutritious food to the child went into the drain. Right? Nutritious. Nutritious. If you practice this word, you will be able to understand. Okay? But do not speak incorrect. Right? This is not acceptable. Next one. Very similar word but very fine pronunciation. And the word is nourishing. 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 The spa experience was quite nourishing to the mind as well as the soul. Soul, right? Okay. So nourishing, right? Next word. Little surprise, that is numb. N-U-M-B. But B is silent over here. So it is numb. Numb. As if the N-U-M is the word. Numb. For few seconds, I could not feel my numb thumb. Right? Numb. So it is not numb, it is numb. Okay? Next one. Notorious. 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 The notorious gang was finally put behind the bars. Right? Notorious. So that is notorious. Right? Last word. My favorite. That is nevertheless. Nevertheless or nonetheless. You can use any of them. Pollution and population are the main reasons for the growth of the country. Nevertheless, the government is on full swing to establish its mark in the world map. Right? So, nevertheless. Nevertheless is a synonym which can be used in place of but. Right? So, I use nevertheless quite often. I like this word. That's all, folks, for today. Watch my video multiple times so that you can get the correct pronunciation. Keep practicing till you get them right. Right? Do share your views about it, and for more information on pronunciation, or for more information on more letters, you can visit our website, or you can also watch and subscribe our YouTube channel. Right, so thank you very much. With this, I call it a day. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.